Welcome back, drawing fans. In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw this fun cartoon snake character. Look at that. It's really simple, but we also add a gift or a present, a surprise to our character. We're going to see what that is. Then we need to add our character to our Winter Wonderland scene. So grab a pencil and paper and let's get drawing. So to draw this character, we're going to start with a letter S. And then let's draw the snake's eyes right here. We're going to draw the snake's nose, just two little dots here. And we can add some fun little snake teeth here and here. And you might want to add a snake tongue. It's really simple, just like that. Okay, we have our snake's face. Now we need to draw the snake's body. So just have fun with this. What we're going to do is we're just going to draw these sort of bumps like this. And you can draw as many as you like because we'll make it all make sense later on. So, you could do something really simple like this. Or you can do something a little more complex like mine. Just draw like a squiggle line over there off to the side, and we'll make it all work in this next step. Now, depending on what squiggle line you drew, you're going to draw a line from the eye and connect to the squiggle line. And then you're going to draw another line from the end of the mouth and just a little curved line here for the bottom of the mouth or the jaw. Now what we need to do is we need to finish the rest of our snake. So let's just draw a line here. And then we can keep continuing with a line here. And notice that what I'm doing is I'm not just following like that, which you could do. You could do that, but I'm actually drawing a line here. And then I stop and I draw another line here. And then I stop and I draw another line here. And so it gives a little bit of dimension to our character. And then I'm going to follow this one up to the tail. Just like that, we have a snake. But we need to decorate our snake, and there's lots of opportunities and decisions to make there. For instance, we can add stripes to our snake, or you can add spots to your snake, or mohawk and a bunch of tattoos to your snake. But I'm going to settle with a real simple design like this and a top hat because, why not? Hey, it's time to open that present or gift and see what we're going to add to our snake. So let's open up this present and see what our snake is going to get. And it's a cupcake. Okay, so we have our fun little snake cartoon character, and now we're just going to add our cupcake. That's a really big cupcake. Let's shrink that up. And do I put it on its nose or maybe on the end of its tail? Or what about on top of our snake's hat? Why not? We could do that. Okay, it's time to add this character to our Winter Wonderland. It's time to add our snake to our Winter Wonderland, and look how many characters we've been adding just over a short, I think it's just over a week. And this is how many characters we have. We have porcupine with a balloon, a unicorn with a pink drink, a guinea pig with some spaghetti, a skating alligator, a bunny with a carrot, dog and a cat with their toys, a walrus with a piece of pizza, a cute little puppy with some chicken nuggets. And now, I think we're gonna add our snake character right here. Look at that. And it has its cupcake and top hat. I like it. Artists, I hope you had a blast drawing this character. Hey, there's a bunch of characters that you didn't get to draw because you're not a member of Harptooniacs, where I have tons, and I mean tons of drawing lessons, and you can check out 3 free lessons by going to the link below this video, or just go to harptooniacs.com. It's really simple. You get to try some lessons for free. I know you're gonna love it, and I can't wait to see you there. Hey, I can't wait to see you in the next video. We're gonna do more drawing, creating, and imagining. So grab your pencil and your paper.